Do you hate taking sales calls? That's all right, because in this video, I'll show you how to get high-ticket clients without them. And at the risk of looking slightly silly, I'll even share with you what happened when we stopped taking sales calls. Spoiler, it wasn't good. And what we had to do to actually sell a $15,000 program with a simple PDF. In fact, if you want to see the PDF, comment down below doc. I'll send it to your DMs. No opt-in required, so you can see the structure of it and you can model it for yourself. But this is only for experienced coaches. So if you're above 2,000 per week, 8,000 a month, so you're in the six-figure mark, you're gonna love this thing. But if you're not there yet, stick to sales calls. That's the fastest path for you to get to six figures. And if you've never met before, my name is Omid Yalie, and over the past 8 years, I've been helping experienced coaches just like yourself go from 2,000 per week to 10,000 a week to 20,000 a week, which is the $1 million mark. Now, let's say on the left-hand side, we have a lead. He's a tiny bit sad because he's struggling with something, whatever it is that you help them fix. And on the right-hand side, we have a happy client. Well, for a stranger or a lead to become a client, something needs to happen. Well, that something we call context. Now, typically, context can be built and done through sales calls. So you can be sales heavy, meaning you get a lead, you get them on a sales call, and you build all of the context they need in order for them to become a client. But if you want to drop sales calls from your process, then you can't just drop it and expect leads to become clients, which is what this guy did, expecting strangers becoming clients without building context. What you actually need to do is shift where context is built. So instead of doing it with your sales process, you want to do it through your marketing. But before you even attempt to build context through your marketing, first we got to understand and define what context is. Let me show you. In order for you to turn a stranger into a client, you need to get 4 yeses. I used to believe it's 3. It's actually 4. The first yes you need to get is on you. I've heard a bunch of business coaches say people don't buy coaching, they buy coaches. 1000% true. So getting a yes on you is, do they like you? Do they like your vibe, your style? Do they kind of believe in you? Are you their person? So it's a yes on you. But that's not enough. You also need to get a yes on them. They need to believe that if they get your help, they can actually achieve the results. If they don't believe they can achieve the results, there is no way that they're going to hire you or anybody else to help them achieve the results they don't believe they can have, right? So first, they got to believe in you, but second, they got to believe in themselves. The third yes you need to get after that is on your method, on your process, on the way you coach, the tools and systems you use to get them to the promised land. If they believe your method is the best path for them to get to the promised land, you got your third yes. And the last yes you need to get before somebody pays you money is your offer. They got to believe this is the best next offer they can take. Now, the yes on you and the yes on them and the yes on your process happens within your marketing, on social media when they watch your videos. But the yes on your offer for us happens in a PDF. So if you want to see the exact PDF we use to sell our programs and get a yes over here without a sales call, comment down below doc, D or C. I'll send it to your inbox, no opt-in required. And that way you can actually model it for yourself and give it a shot. Send it to a couple of prospects, see if they become a client. And if they don't, come back to me. I'll give you a couple of tricks you can use to turn them into a client over chat. It's fun. I'll see you around.